Yep, you're back with another video. Today we're going to be reacting to a Darman video on YouTube. So, please like and subscribe, and let's get this video started.
Look what you just did.
Okay, she
Looks like
spilled
you're
the
sick to the
drinks.
kitchen, sweetheart. Look, this is VIP. We pay more, so we expect quality service. Hello? You hear what I said?
Maybe she's dead.
Yeah, we're just stupid. Do you know what VIP means?
Dude, look at her. She looks like a cafeteria for real, man. I thought the VIP waitress was supposed to be. Yeah, she's not too bad in this angle.
I hear tasting women with veins awful. Yeah, this place just steps.
Kids, people are being really mean.
Can we get some more drinks and then kind of run?
I'll be right back with this. Will that be cash or card this evening?
Well, first let me take a look at the bill. Make sure you counted right.
Girls in math, man. Combo.
I'm sorry, sir. Your card has been declined.
That's impossible.
Don't worry, man. We'll let Jessica know you'll be out late tonight. Washing dishes behind the bar.
The only person that's going to be doing dishes is her. Clearly, the finances was a little too complex.
Bro, your card declined.
Declined. That's enough. You do not get to talk to me this way.
I think I can talk to you however I want. See, I'm doing it right now, and you can't do anything to stop me.
You're wrong. All actions have consequences, and you still have to pay for your drinks.
Who do you think you are?
Gentlemen, does there seem to be a problem?
The problem is with your staff here. Clearly, this waitress has no idea what she's doing. It's definitely not fit to be serving us.
She doesn't know how to work the card reader.
Yeah, and she wasted our drinks all over the ground. It's a huge mess.
Is that true?
No, it's not.
Were you calling us liars?
Yeah, all three of us?
That is true, Tanya. It's their word versus yours.
I know, I just started here, Tom, but I'm not a liar. I'm a good worker. These men have been inappropriate all evening.
Whoa. We just came here to have a couple of drinks and enjoy ourselves.
In fact, we've been coming here for years. Regardless of what she says, it doesn't matter because customers always right, especially VIP.
Yes, you're right. And I sincerely apologize. I'm sorry. Tanya, I have to ask you to leave. Please go pack your things.
How's that for consequence?
Okay, I really hope she doesn't get fired because these people clearly did it, but I'm not gonna bother you guys anymore, and I'm just gonna let you watch the video.
Hey, Tanya, right?
Yeah?
Sorry about me and my ladies back there. We were just joking around. No hard feelings, right?
I have to get back to work.
Oh, no. You got fired, remember? What are you doing after this?
Going home?
You want some company?
Okay, last one. She did get fired? That's messed up, bro.
Didn't you say I wasn't attractive earlier?
I mean, not in the conventional sense, but you definitely have something. Give me your little secret.
So I'm hot enough to go home with, but I'm not hot enough to tell your buddies about?
Don't be like that.
Leave me alone.
Hey, stop.
Stop it! Stop!
Hey, what you doing, man?
What? I wasn't doing anything, man.
Are you okay?
See, the other card you gave me also.
What the heck was
Now,
that?
if you can't pay the bill.
Well, I can pay.
What?
Sir, we got a problem here, boss? Yeah, you know what? We do have a problem.
Look,
I was just taking this dude out. I can handle his friends as well. You can't kick us out. You know who my father is? I'm Derek Adams.
Derek?
Yeah, Derek Adams saw some big dudes.
I cannot believe you, Derek. This is honestly the last straw. Were you spending your whole night belittling a waitress?
What? No.
You're lying. I heard the recording.
We're recording.
This one.
Looks like you should stick to the kitchen, sweetheart. Do you know what VIP means?
It's too late. I've already heard it and more.
Dang, that.
You.
Yeah, I know you guys are regulars here. Every single waitress warned me about you. So I decided to keep my phone recording in my pocket just in case.
What are you talking about? Every waitress here warned you about me?
Yeah, I guess you guys have a regular routine here. You demean every waitress with sexist remarks. You hit on them all even when they're clearly not interested. And you just sit back and let it all happen.
No, you know, you're crazy.
She doesn't sound crazy to me. I've had my doubts about you, but this confirms it. You're not the type of person I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Jessica, what are you saying? Don't listen to this trash.
The engagement's over. We're done.
You can't break up with me. My father basically owns this town.
But he doesn't own this place. I do.
You're the nightclub owner.
New owner.
I just bought it last month.
When I found out that one of my employees was fired, I was interested to know more. I want to apologize for the way that you were treated tonight. And it was wrong for the manager to fire you, not knowing the full story. Which brings me to you three. Your behavior tonight towards our staff was unacceptable. And you are effectively banned from this establishment forever. What?
No. You know what? Fine. This place is a dump anyway. We'll take our business elsewhere.
The only thing that's a dump is you.
Class, I can assure you that your
And your
credit card
friends.
will fail at all businesses.
I am not broke.
Oh, yes, you are. I've seen your bank statements, Derek. You have more debt than you know what to do with. And also, I know that your dad cut you off.
Wait, is that true? What about our new startup? We just applied to that business loan. Loan? Where, may I ask? Wilshire Bank. Another one of my properties. Something's telling me, gentlemen, that loan is gonna get denied.
Wait. This is all just a big misunderstanding, right? And, please don't deny us that loan, sir.
Sir?
Please. Look, I can't lose my girl and my business too.
All right, how about this? I'll leave the decision up to Tanya. I mean, she was the one that was hurt most this evening.
I told you that your actions have consequences. Maybe it's time you learn to live with yours.
No, you can't. You can't do this.
Tom, Marcus, can you please escort these gentlemen off the premises immediately?
Come on, man. Get your hands off. Be out of here.
Bye,
Excuse me,
Derek.
please.
Good riddance. Thank you for tracking me down and sending me that recording.
Of course. When I heard them mention your name at the table, I figured you probably wanted to know who your fiancé really was. I used Derek's name for the reservation to find you on his socials. I'm just sorry to be the bearer of bad news.
Yeah, I mean, it was hard to listen to, but I'm just glad to know now than learning the truth after we were married.
I apologize for making such a big fuss on my first day in Mr. Hall.
I wish half of my employees had the grace and composure in stressful situations.
I appreciate it.
And I think between the two of us, that we can turn this into the kind of place where men like that don't feel welcome.
Sounds like heaven.
Here's your half.
This looks delicious.
Is this full of it down there? Okay.
It's nice. This one?
Ooh, here we go.
It's like reacting
Oh, I like-
to
what about
two
this?
Darmans,
Yeah.
actually.
There you go. It's all yours. Honey, what about you? See anything? What about this?
Wait. Yeah, wait, that might be like 3.
What's that sigh for?
I mean, look at them. They're happy because they're rich. They can buy whatever they want, whenever they want it. Meanwhile, we're over here splitting half a sub because we can't afford a whole sub. I'm just sick of being broke.
Babe, I
See,
don't
broke
need those
like the
fancy
last guy.
things. All I need is you. Money doesn't bring happiness.
Being broke doesn't bring happiness either.
I think we're pretty happy.
Well, all right, perfect. Another phone. The earth. Here. This. Okay.
Don't worry. I'm gonna get us out of the poorhouse. I promise you that our daughter will have everything she could ever want.
The only thing our daughter needs is our love and affection. Besides, the grass ain't always greener on the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see about that. Mr. Hampton, it's Armand. I'd like to officially throw my hat into the ring for the open management position at the company.
Are you sure about this? Because I need someone I can depend on 24/7.
And that's me, sir. From now on, work is my #1 priority. I prove to you that I'm the man for the job. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
These pickle chips?
What the?
What are these Darmans?
Armand,
Honey, it's time. My water just broke. I'm going into labor.
What? Okay, just sit tight. I'm coming home and I'm taking you to the hospital, okay?
Hurry. I love you.
I need you to review these purchase orders by end of day, please.
Actually, sir, my wife just went into labor.
And?
Well, she needs me to take her to the hospital.
Isn't that what ambulances are for?
Sir?
Look, you're the one that said you were gonna make work your #1 priority. Were you lying?
No, but my wife needs me. It's the birth of our first child.
I need you. So this is a chance for you to show me just how much you want this promotion. Or I can always find someone else.
Wait. I'll do it. I'll stay.
Great.
That's messed up. That's messed up. I cannot wait to see what she says.
Are you on your way?
I'm sorry. I can't leave.
What?
It'll jeopardize my chances of getting this promotion. You know how hard I've been working for this?
Are you kidding me?
A
I'll call
promotion?
your sister. Everything will be okay, I promise.
Okay. Quick little pause. A promotion is more important than that, than your own kid? Man, that's crazy, bro. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all watch it.
Everything won't be okay if you're not with me to meet our daughter.
Honey, trust me. It's all gonna be okay.
I need you with me, Armand.
Yeah.
Please.
Oh my. Man. What is that? That's messed up.
You okay? You got it.
Hey, how's the patient doing?
She's doing great. She's having really contractions. She's
Actually having one now. She's fully dilated. Ready to go.
okay. It's time to start pushing.
Where's Armand?
I've been calling for hours. It just keeps going to voicemail. I'm sorry.
I'm not doing this without Armand.
You don't have a choice. This baby is coming whether you are ready or not. Now, push.
Isn't she perfect?
Well, look who decided to show up.
What we did.
What we did? You mean look what I did?
Honey, I'm sorry. Really. It couldn't be avoided.
Would you give us a minute, please? I needed you.
Kind of sounds like they're saying dad.
We needed you. And you weren't here.
I'm not working this hard for me. I'm doing it for our family. Look,
That is
once I
true,
get this
but
promotion, we won't have to worry about money ever again.
Listen to yourself. Your priorities are all out of whack.
yeah.
We don't need to be rich to be happy.
Be realistic. Money matters.
Not to me. All I need, all we need, is for you to be present in our lives.
Just a family.
Hello. We're working on your discharge paperwork, and we need a few signatures on the bill.
You mind just giving us a minute?
Sure.
I didn't even get to see the baby yet, or whatever it is.
It's why we need more than just each other to get by. Oh, it's been tough. But I need to focus on work just a little bit longer. It's all gonna be worth it. You see?
That is true, but still. Family's more important than work. Especially when you just had a baby. Yeah, guys, that's not even a baby. It's just making baby noises. Probably just a little pillow in there or something. Man, it's happy birthday. They missed their birthday. Okay, you gotta be there at these important occasions. You can't just work at all these important occasions. Is she leaving? With the baby? Oh, bro. That's crazy. Dang.
Great work on this, Armand. I didn't think you had it in you. And I've never been happier to be proven wrong. The promotion's yours. Along with this check.
How much?
This is
How much?
amazing.
10 mil?
Thank you, Mr.
Or
Hampton.
10,000?
I won't let you down.
Not gonna be yes when you get home, buddy boy.
Honey, I got great news. I got the promotion and a signing bonus. So go get your things, because we're going shopping. Honey? Are you home?
That's sad, bro. She got left.
Armand, I have been patient, hoping the man I married would return. But with each passing day, it's become clear that you value money more than family. And that breaks my heart. I can't be married to a man.
Alright. So, money is important because you need money to live. Do you want to live on the streets with a baby? You need money, but, I mean, family is more important, but you need money. But you should have been there on all those important occasions. You should have been there. Right. Let's watch a video again.
With those priorities, I've taken the baby to my sisters to think about our future. Please respect my space, Melissa.
She's leaving me. And after everything I did for her.
Didn't really do anything. That was 100,000.
Wow. Excuse me. Sorry, you do not know me at all, obviously. I saw you a year ago at the mall. You were buying up half the electronics store with your wife and daughter. Actually, seeing how happy it made your family, it changed my life. It motivated me to focus more on my career so I can give my family everything. Just like you.
My family is not happy.
Wait, seriously?
See?
What do you
Money
mean?
changes
You
people.
literally bought them whatever they wanted.
Yeah, and I used to think that's what mattered. But I was wrong. I realized a bit too late that what my family actually needed wasn't money.
Exactly.
They needed me.
It was
I
love.
was so busy with work, I missed practically every moment of my daughter's childhood. Didn't matter how many expensive things I bought her. She hates me. My wife left me 3 months ago and took my daughter. Now all I have is a big, empty house and a family that wants nothing to do with me.
Wow, I am so sorry to hear that. Really.
Yeah, if I were you, I wouldn't use me as a role model. It will only lead to you being alone.
Exactly. But I swear, if he rips up that freaking check, I will punch him in the face, bro. You got to at least cash it, right? I mean, worked hard for it.
She does not want to see you.
Please just give me 2 minutes.
Haven't you heard her enough?
Please, Melissa, just hear me out. If you don't like what I have to say, then I'll leave. I got the promotion. And look, it came with a signing bonus.
That doesn't change anything, Armand. I can't believe you still don't get that. I don't care about the money. I never have.
I know. And you're right.
What the f***,
I'm not taking the promotion.
bro? Heck no.
Thought that having money would
bro.
make us happy. But I was wrong. And I let it blind me to what mattered the most. No promotion, no amount of money can ever replace what you and our daughter truly need.
And what's that?
What the fuck?
And I need you to.
You just ripped that up for us. What the fuck, bro? You just ripped that up. What in the flip, bro? That was $100,000, you dummy. Oh my gosh, bro.
The grass isn't always green on the other side.
Let's rip the freaking $100,000 check. Who does that? Who does that? Absolutely, who in this world does that? Like, bro, that was $100,000. And that's what made her happy? Bro, ripping a check is low-key crazy for that. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed my video. Like and subscribe, please. And peace.